Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP LaserJet MFP M140w printer step by step. So watch this video until the end to complete your printer setup quickly and correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the package, you will find the HP LaserJet MFP M140w printer, power cable, starter toner cartridge, quick setup documentation. Now remove all protective materials from the printer. Remove orange tapes, plastic covers, foam packing pieces, and cardboard inserts from inside the scanner area. Open the scanner unit and make sure there's no packing material left inside the toner section. Step 2. Next, open the toner access area. Take out the toner cartridge carefully. Remove the protective orange clips from both sides. Then pull out the orange sealing strip completely. After that, gently shake the cartridge from side to side about 5 to 6 times to distribute toner evenly. Important tip: do not touch the green drum surface of the cartridge. Now, insert the cartridge back into the printer. Align it properly with the guides and slide it inside until it locks into place. Then, close the scanner unit. Step 3. Now, open the paper input tray. Adjust the paper width guides according to your paper size. Insert plain A4 or letter size paper into the tray. Make sure the paper stack is aligned properly, it is not overloaded, and it stays below the maximum limit mark. Slide the guides gently so they touch the paper edges. Then, pull out the output tray extension. Your paper is now loaded correctly. Step 4. Now connect the power cable to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. Press the power button. During the first startup, the printer may take about 30 seconds to initialize. Wait until the indicator lights stop blinking. When the blue wireless light starts blinking, the printer is ready for Wi-Fi setup. Step 5. Now it's time to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. On your computer or smartphone, download the HP Smart app from 123.hp.com, Microsoft Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. Install and open the HP Smart app. Accept the permissions when prompted. Then click Add Printer. Your HP LaserJet M140w printer will appear automatically. Select your printer. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then press Continue. Now press and release the wireless button on the printer when instructed. Wait while your printer connects to your network. Once connected successfully, setup will complete automatically. Important reminder: make sure your computer, smartphone, and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Next, the HP Smart app may ask you to sign in. If you don't already have an HP account, create one. Signing in allows you to install drivers automatically, print documents easily, scan files quickly, receive firmware updates, use cloud printing features. After login, your printer is ready to use. Step 7. Now let's connect your smartphone. Install the HP Smart app on your phone. Sign in using the same HP account. Tap Add Printer. Select Already Connected to Network. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. Your printer will appear instantly. Tap its name to finish the connection. Now your smartphone is ready for printing and scanning. To print a document, open HP Smart app. Select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos. Choose your file, adjust settings like paper size, number of copies, print quality, then tap Print. Your document will now print successfully. Congratulations! Your printer setup is complete. Now, let's scan a document. Open the scanner lid. Place your document face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the top left corner marking. Close the lid carefully. Open HP Smart app. Tap Scan. Choose Document or Photo mode. Adjust settings like paper size, color or grayscale, resolution quality, then tap Scan. Preview the scanned file. Adjust edges if needed. Save the file as PDF or image format. Your scan is now complete. And next, troubleshooting quick fix. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Move the printer closer to your router. Make sure all devices are connected to the same network. Then reopen HP Smart app and try again. This solves most connection issues quickly. That's how you set up your HP LaserJet MFP M140w printer, step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. And if you still need any help with installation, Wi-Fi connection, printing, or scanning, you can contact our support team anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.